I'm here to teach you how you can develop one basic step with 10 different ways. I remember a period of time that I thought the most important thing for me as a dancer is just learning basic steps and foundation, nothing else. But after that, I realized that the most important thing for me as a freestyle dancer or as a choreographer is how I can develop those steps. Developing means that you as a dancer enter to a new level of your profession. There are many ways that you can explore one basic step, and today I'm about to tell you how you can develop a basic called kickball change. It's a basic originally from hip-hop dance, but if you're a dancer from different styles, doesn't matter, because when you learn 10 different ways of developing this step, you can apply this to your own style and to your own basic steps. So let's get started. Kickball change is made by 3 important elements. The one element is kick, 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 kick. The second element is ball. It means this part of our feet. Ball, 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 ball. So kick, ball. And the last element is change. Change means changing the position of another leg. For example, this leg is fixed because we do kick, ball, and change is for this. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. So it doesn't matter where you put your leg. The only thing that matters is you need to change the position of your leg. Now it's time to develop this simple step. First thing that we want to explore is levels. Using different levels can help you to develop your basic steps.
Michael, ma la smetti?
Michael!
Cinta in coccodrillo, costa lo stipendio di uno sbirro. Oh la cinta in coccodrillo, costa lo stipendio di uno sbirro. Oh la cinta in coccodrillo, costa lo stipendio di uno sbirro. Sto girando stati, non gioco il risico, ho karate ai denti, non gioco stati. Oh la cinta in coccodrillo, costa lo stipendio di uno sbirro. Sto girando stati, non gioco il risico.
Direction. Direction is another way that we can develop our movement. In this case, we can change the direction of every element, or we can use direction not just for each element but for the whole basic, like 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Michael!
costa lo stipendio di uno sbirro. Ho la cinta in coccodrillo, costa lo stipendio di uno sbirro.
Can. Using reverse is another way for changing and developing one step. Reverse means we reverse the order of performing the movement. Like if kick ball change is firstly kick ball change, we have to do it reverse. Like change ball kick, change ball kick, again change ball kick, or change ball kick. So if you want to show your movement in every direction or in different levels, it's up to you.
Michael, ma la smetti?
Michael!
Using rhythms is very important because when you use different rhythms, you can show different layers in the music and you can be more dynamic. So you don't need to perform kickball change like 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do this like 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ta 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 ta. So just mix different rhythms.
Michael!
Adding accent. When we listen to a song, we need to show different accents according to the song.
Michael!
Layers. Layers are important not just for better performance or better musicality, but for your coordination skill, so you can coordinate different parts of your bodies according to the music. For example, we can add a layer for foundation, like the rock. This layer, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is a different movement from our footwork and it can be challenging. But it's in the right timing that we can use with our feet. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, we do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. But if we change the timing, it can be more challenging and harder. Like we can change the speed of our feet, like instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, we do 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and with our upper body we can show 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and
Michael.
Using different textures. One way of developing movement is using textures. Textures are physical and emotional quality of our movement.
Michael, ma la smetti?
Michael.
Now we can develop this movement by using each element. We can explore and play with kick, with ball, and with changing position.
Michael.
Take a trip out to Japan and that's tsunami hover China. Wind it down to Benihana. I'm the new hip hop Madonna. I'm the
Michael. Michael.
I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you like it, you can check out other episodes and other tutorials on my channel. See you next week.